A warm welcome and GRÜETZI to this short episode about change management for service providers. I'm speaking for AllyAllez, a Swiss consulting firm specializing in service transformation, and I'm glad you're here. We live in a time of constant change, sometimes challenging, often uncertain, but always full of opportunities. This is precisely where ethical change management comes in. Why? Because trust is the basis for sustainable success, and trust is created when we shape change with integrity, respect, and a clear focus on people. Ethical change management is more than a process. It is an attitude. It creates space for collaboration, strengthens team performance, and helps to maintain stability in uncertain times. This approach offers a real competitive advantage, particularly for service providers in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and the United Arab Emirates. Here, people are at the heart of every change. Perhaps you are wondering how you and your team can benefit from these principles. One option is the AllyAllez Change Management Certification, which is based on the international ACMP standard. This standard provides a clear structure for implementing changes efficiently and with minimal risk, always with a focus on people, co-creation, and innovation. Please, I invite you to join me. Let's see change as an opportunity. Change that comes from the heart and a clear mind, for strong teams that want to revitalize their service role and experience it in a new way. Incidentally, you can book a short consultation with us. Thursdays would be ideal. Then I can tell you more about ACMP. The take-home message at AllyAllez, we help companies to reposition themselves in the service economy with service intelligence and ethical change management. Well, thank you for listening, and a successful year 2025 from Tom and Connie. AllyAllez, together forwards.